Why doesn't a Tesla have this kind of sunshades, especially now we are in summer? Well, my personal guess would be maybe because the production factory is in Fremont, California, and the temperatures in that area, they are not that hot. They range from 72 to 81 degrees Fahrenheit, and people will be like, it's not that hot, I can bear it. But then come to think of it, a lot of car owners are all over the world, and people are in regions where temperatures range from 84 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's very unbearable. Take for example, this Model 3 has been under this hot sun for a very long time, and you wouldn't be able to enter this car and drive off and go somewhere because it's like a blast furnace. So how can you enjoy your car and the rides in the summer? Well, that's when Vic Tuning enters. We come to you with these sunshades, which are very easy to operate, open and close. Very easy, and this allows you to enjoy the scenery or the views. Like, you don't want to close it up, you want to see how the sky looks like, you can easily open it and close it at the same time. So guys, you let me know, do you think the Teslas would actually need this kind of sunshades? Let me know in the comment section.